Rub-a-dub-dub. Today we're talking cloth diaper laundry. Mom's best friend. Keep watching. Hey, I'm Jamie, the creator of ClothCuties.com, a site designed to encourage you to cloth diaper your baby. From an infant through the toddler years, I've got the tips and tricks you need to simplify your cloth diapering experience. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are having fun with this video. I was recently on a cloth diaper industry call. Shout out to Bailey and Cloth Diaper Podcast. And in that call, we were talking about content that we wanted to create. And there is a very intense need for washing support. We all have to do cloth diaper laundry if you're not using a cloth diaper service. So we want to make sure that as an industry, we are helping you through simplifying not only your cloth diaper experience, but the laundry as well. We all know when you take the plunge into cloth diapering, laundry is a very real reality. So today, we're going to talk about how to get through this smoothly, okay? Because we ain't finna have laundry stifling our cloth diapering progress. Okay, sis? Okay. Before we get all the way into this video, I want you to join our email list. On Cloth Cuties weekly email list, you will get tips that help you navigate the cloth diaper research experience and get you through those quirky learning curves when it comes to cloth diapering, and just a whole bunch of other stuff that's humorous, funny, and lighthearted. Like, y'all, join my email list. It's the place you want to be. Click the link below this video to get on it. It's super easy. So, okay, friends, let's talk wash routines, because washing cloth diapers can be a really sticky point and a hard thing for some moms, but it really does not have to be. And I say this because you can get into a good washing habit, and I really believe that most moms just need to think about cloth diapering laundry as just another load of laundry. The things you figured out and navigated through washing your kids' clothes, through washing your own undergarments. Y'all, these are the same principles that you apply here. Cloth diapering laundry is really no different. Full stop. Now, I know there's some challenges that we're going to start to navigate here about the quality of your water, but one of the things that makes your cloth diaper laundry the easiest possible is really having enough diapers. I'm aware that this could be a big ask because, let's face it, sometimes cloth diapers are expensive. So to build a stash that allows you to wash, let's say once a week, could be a challenge. Even if that's a challenge, you can wash multiple times in a week. I would just say that if you're going to wash multiple times in a week, do it at a consistency that really allows you to still preserve your sanity. What we're not going to do is like get on a crazy schedule where we are washing diapers every day. I would like to see you not wash laundry every other day, like twice a week max is my suggestion. If you can, I would build a stash that allows for that. Let's try to break it down like this. So you know that to diaper a small baby, a newborn baby, you need about 10 diapers a day, we'll say. So 10 times 7 days is about a 70 diaper stash. That's a lot of diapers. And especially if you have high-end diapers, that gets costly. You don't have to have that many diapers. What you can do is create a plan to wash midway through the week. I think I topped my stash out at around 50 diapers. So that gave me some wiggle room to, let's say, go Monday through Wednesday. By Thursday, I'm washing again. And then Sunday, I'm washing again. So with that number of diapers, you can make sure that you stretch your washing period so that it's only 2 times a week. And if you're worried about money, I want to honor that, and I want to pause here because you can build a stash that has quality diapers at varying price points. So I will put a link to a video that will be able to help you with that. I'm saying all this to say that I believe that the cloth diaper wash routine is mostly predicated on how many diapers you have, and that dictates how often you wash. I will further that point by saying when you do wash, it's just like any other load of laundry. Let's kind of demystify this idea that you have to do something radically different from your normal wash routine to wash cloth diapers. You do not. I want you to make sure that you're trusting yourself, because I have learned that there are different types of water quality, but the tools you already have, the know-how you already have, trust that, sis, because the same way you navigate around these issues with hard water and stuff like that to wash your clothes are the same skills you're going to use in washing your diapers. It's no different. Don't let all these other cloth diaper mamas amp you up about that. Like, calm down, woosah. Actually, let's take a deep breath together. I'm helping you co-regulate here because we're going to let go of this hardcore washing stuff today, okay? We about to get delivered.
Not today's thing.
This brings us over to our next point. So water quality. There are two types of water in the United States. There's hard water and soft water. And where you fall in that spectrum determines how you generally handle your laundry. Everybody knows the Culligan man. I went over to Culligan.com to help me get a grasp on these definitions. So here you go. Hard water is simply defined as the presence of minerals in your water. And these minerals are calcium, magnesium, manganese, iron in our water. And the greater the concentration of these minerals, the harder your water is. On the other side of that coin, you have soft water. And soft water is simply free from all of these harsh minerals that I just named. While doing some research for this video, I was kind of like, well, do I have hard water and I just didn't know? Because if I did have hard water, like, I navigated through my cloth diapering laundry experience just as if I would wash anything else. And there is a good chance that you do have hard water, you have experience. Did you know that 85% of homes in the U.S. have what is considered hard water? Yeah, my mind was blown because I just thought, yeah, it was a random little thing that we say. But look at this map. Look, right here. 85% of America has what we call hard water. And I will tell you a little funny story because we used to go to Memphis for Christmas every year when I was growing up. And I totally remember my parents mentioning that when we go to Memphis that the water was hard. And now thinking back about it, I can see how soap felt a little bit different when I was at my grandmother's house. You'd see the mineral buildup around the shower heads and the faucet. I didn't think anything of it growing up, but now being adult looking back, I can definitely see how the quality of the water was different than what we have in Houston. And actually this map kind of shows that and makes that a reality for me. On a side note, y'all, though, I cannot stop my brain from this thought path, and I'm just going to verbalize it so I can get it out of my head, that the minerals that are in water are probably there and in higher concentrations because of our landfills. Like, I cannot just untie the thought that our landfill waste has something to do with hard water in the U.S. water system. If you think about like just how much waste and disposable and diapers and all kind of other stuff sitting there for 500 years, the toxins in the water, like, that has to go together. I ain't no scientist, I'm a mommy scientist, but I just feel in my spirit that those two have to coincide and coalesce in some way. There's my rants. Now, understanding the difference between hard water and soft water, hard water definitely has an impact on laundry, for sure. The minerals in hard water prevent soap from mixing well, or detergent from mixing well with the water to give us a really nice clean load of laundry. So this could look like streakiness in your diapers, or dirt not fully dissolving, stains in your diapers, your items just not feeling completely clean or feeling hard and crunchy. When soap is unable to lather effectively, it can cause absorption and leaking issues, because we know that when your diaper is not fully absorbent, then you have more leaks. But soap in the washing process has something to do with this. In my research, I found something interesting about hard water and bath towels. I'm going to read it to you. Mineral coating can reduce the absorption of bath towels and cause skin irritations in the form of chafing and dryness, especially for people who suffer with sensitive skin. And if you think about it, this is exactly like a cloth diaper, because if you cannot cleanse the diaper well, then it cannot be absorbent, as fully absorbent as you expect it to be, because it's still holding in all the gunk, all the pee, all the extra stuff from the last time you used it, right? I also think about if you use creams with your cloth diaper, like this hard water issue can stop those from rinsing as cleanly as we want them to. The long and short of it is hard water is hard to solve for and correct in any laundry process, not just cloth diapering. Going back to my example about my grandmother's house, I was kind of like, well, how do people know when they have hard water? You can get a gauge of this in different facets of your life. So one way to know that you have hard water is definitely to look at your laundry. If your laundry's coming out stiff, it doesn't feel clean, it looks kind of shabby, or your colored loads are fading faster, that can be a sign that you have a hard water issue. But you can also look at things like when you're washing your hands or in the shower. Does your soap lather well? If it doesn't lather well, that might be an indicator that you have a hard water issue. Similarly, look around. Like if you have white deposits on your faucets and on your shower heads, that could be an indication as well that you have hard water. And lastly, look at your skin. If your skin feels dry, now, y'all, my skin is always dry. I'm always putting on lotion right before these videos because I simply don't drink enough water. But if you're having like skin irritation issues, that could be from your hard water. Basically, you can determine if you have hard water by using your 5 senses. Now that we know about water quality and how it impacts our laundry, we're going to get into some tips to help you navigate this whole process. The first tip that I have for you is to trust yourself because, like I said earlier, you already do laundry. You already do it for your underwear, you do it for your sheets. You already know what this issue is and generally how to treat it. Now, I would say, and I would kind of liken this to, how do you wash your towels? The same way you wash your towels to kind of prevent the effects of hard water is the same line of thinking that you should probably use for washing your cloth diapers. So again, I want to encourage you to trust yourself and to use your mommy intuition on this, and don't let this cloth diapering laundry thing be the thing that knocks you off a wonderful diapering journey with your baby. The second tip I have for you, if you have hard water and experiencing challenges with washing, make sure that you use a liquid detergent. With hard water, powder detergents are just so much harder to lather and to mix with water, making it more difficult to clean your diapers. Find a laundry detergent, a liquid laundry detergent that you like and that you can live with, and use that also for laundering your diapers. The third tip I have for you is to rinse your diapers really well. And I will add on to this, invest in a diaper sprayer. What you don't want to do is put your diapers in the wash and have the wash machine doing more work when we could have probably taken a pre-step. So if hard water is an issue for you, I would definitely spend more time like soaking my diapers in a bathtub or using a diaper sprayer to rinse them out really good. We already know that you generally do not need to rinse out like breast milk poop. So if you're breastfeeding your baby when they're small and they're still on a totally liquid diet, you don't need to rinse that. But if you're having some hard water issues, you want to make sure that your diapers get super clean. So just take the extra step and rinse your diapers, soak your diapers before they go into the wash, just so we can get a really, really, really good clean on them. And the last tip that I have for you is to clean your washing machine. Now, this is something that we probably all need to do. This is a reminder to all of us. Girl, go clean that washing machine. Empty it out. Turn on the hot water cycle. If you need to, maybe add some baking powder or some vinegar, but clean your washing machine. This is something that we just need to do routinely anyway to make sure all of our laundry stays sanitized, healthy, and clean. Those are my 4 tips for making sure that you can combat hard water in your laundry. But the biggest tip of all, and I'm just going to reiterate this, I've said it like 3 times, trust yourself. Do not let cloth diaper laundry be a thorn in your side. You got this, mama. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this video has been useful to you. Drop me a comment below and tell me what's going on with your water situation. Are you having challenges with it? Do you have hard water or soft water? Sound off in the comments below and let's start talking about this thing. If you are having challenges with your cloth diapering experience, I have recently added to my website a chat option with me. So if you're having trouble areas and troubleshooting problems that you want to talk through and get some help working through, I am available to you as a resource. So head over to clothcuties.com. In the store, you'll find an option to chat with me. So make sure that you check that out and let's get on the schedule. You can also click the link below and get on our email list, because through our email list, we provide tips and tricks to help you simplify your cloth diapering experience. Of course, there's content through our email list that can help you get where you're trying to go. As always, head over to clothcuties.com where there's more content to help you simplify your cloth diapering experience, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.